Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic, LUNC, and Wells. Now, I believe that you see Wells will take over Terra Classic very soon. You see Wells buying billions or millions of Terra Classic coins. Wells are known for investing huge amount on particular coins, and this guy can really push it coin to really increase in price. Terra Classic, when you take a look at Terra Classic right now, you will know, yes, this coin stands a chance for for rising, and this coin stands a chance for getting massive price bump, and also stand a chance for getting huge support from Wells. I believe that yes, Terra community are doing their best, and when we have people like Ethereum Wells and other Wells, you can see Blue Wells. If you can see these people coming in, these guys coming in to buy Terra Classic coins, they will really push LUNC to the top. Yes, right now, remember what happened to Shiba Doge when Wells actually purchased about over $7 million worth of Shiba Doge coin, a coin with about roughly 8 or 7 million dollars market cap, and with their investment they were able to have almost $16 million market cap, which also helped to push the price of Shiba Doge, and Shiba Doge became so much popular more because of Wells. And today you can see where Shiba Doge, even though Wells have actually sold off their holdings, but for me, I believe that yes, when you take a look at Terra Classic, this is a coin where we are expecting at least 1 cent, a price of 1 cent. This is a coin where even the biggest crypto billionaire CZ himself is also believing to push. He wants to push this coin to rise, and I believe that yes, maybe 10,000% price increase. So many worlds right now, people are there, people are still watching there at a particular time. People are waiting for the right time to really buy Terra Classic. And what is that right time? Terra Classic needs a lot to be done. So I believe in the area of getting most of the coins burned, and also getting top exchangers listing this coin and also engage in the burning of Terra Classic. The day we'll see Kucoin, the day we'll see crypto.com, the day we'll see other exchangers start burning LUNC. Don't be surprised to see that week they all will start joining Binance to start burning. You will see big wells will coming in to invest to buy more coins, and because the burning of Terra Classic, a huge burning comes with a rise. Huge burning comes with something good for LUNC, and like I said before, if Terra Classic can really burn trillions of coins, you will see this coin hitting over 500 to 1,000%, and before you know it, hitting 10,000%. Wells are watching Terra Classic right now. They are still watching this coin to know the right time they can really buy Terra Classic coins. They always love buying coins that can bring in profit, and I believe Terra Classic LUNC is one of those coins that Wells are watching. Wells can buy, and most people also watching Terra Classic LUNC. Once again, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.